welcome back to the channel. We are at Avis, Toronto Pearson Airport. Yeah, it's been a little while since I've done an update. Let's take a look at some of the cars they have. Avis still has quite a few EVs in the fleet. Got a couple of Teslas. And they have the big Genesis, but I don't think they're the plug-ins. They've got the Hornets. I've seen it at some other locations. And this is where they park some of the upgrades. Got a Benz there. Got one of the big Genesis there. We got a Hemi, Durango. So Avis and Hertz sometimes have older cars in their fleet. And sometimes having the older cars, you can get something a little bit more interesting. See one of those plug-in Hyundais on the left down here. These Porsche at the end are for Air Canada for the if you're booking business class and you got ground transfer service. Sometimes they'll pick you up one of those, transfer you to the next flight. We got a Malibu with US plates here. XLT on the F-150. And then here's this electric Hyundai. So National has a couple of those here too. Another Malibu. Got a bunch of Audis. There's still some of these Wagoneers here. Minivans. Yeah, we got anything? Oh, we got a BMW over here. Yeah, we got a Chevy Blazer, looks like, down at the end. And I think that's most of it, guys. I'm just going to go back here. Did I do the middle row? I think I did. And did we... You know, guys, sorry, I can't remember if we did. I apologize if we already did this row. I got a Camry 300. You know, I don't think we did we? No, I think we went down to the end. On the other side, we got an Audi Q3, a couple of Teslas. Got a Ford Explorer over there. I'll just pan over slowly here for you guys. And Kia Audi. Durango Hemi. And down at the end, you know, I don't know if we did go down here. Here's where a bunch of the trucks are. A Wagoneer, a bunch of trucks down there. Dodge Ram. And okay, and this is kind of where we started, but we didn't do it all the way to the end. So we'll go down to the end and wrap it up, guys. Again, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, click on that subscribe. There's no cost. It really helps out the channel. Get the word out to other people who might be interested. And here's another Hornet in black. I wouldn't mind trying one of those sometime. All right. Okay, I think we're going to wrap things up here, guys. A couple Audis and this Hyundai here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.